Hi, let's see the functions of management in this video. Management involves the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling resources to achieve organizational goals efficiently. These functions are divided into managerial and operative functions. Managerial means common across all organizations, and operative means varying by organization. Let's see what is meant by each function. Planning, deciding on future actions to achieve objectives. It involves setting goals, selecting strategies, and decision making to bridge the gap between the current state and desired outcomes. The second one is organizing, means allocating duties, grouping activities, establishing authority, and distributing resources. This ensures that tasks are efficiently managed within an organizational structure. And the third one is staffing, which means hiring and developing personnel to fill positions in the organization. It ensures that the organization has the right people in the right roles at the right time. And next is directing, means guiding and motivating employees to work towards organizational objectives. This involves leadership, communication, and creating an environment for optimal employee performance. Next one is controlling. That means monitoring and evaluating performance to ensure alignment with plans. It identifies errors and implements corrective actions to prevent future issues. See, each function plays a crucial role in ensuring that the organization operates effectively and achieves its goals.